My name's Haresh and I'm from London. Problems I was experiencing was I'd come to a plateau in my life and the bottom of certain aspects of my life, and I was trying to find something to do about it, and I didn't really know which way to turn, and I came to one of Jason's presentations. It seemed like a good idea to give him a go to see if he could help me change my life. I'm not sure how this is going to change my business, but I know it's going to change everything about my business. I've had lots of revelations over the past 3 days, and there's so much to think about. There's so many windows into whole new possibilities that I've just discovered. It's going to be a big change. There's so many benefits from being here, and I think my favourite one is the incredible people that I've met here. There's such a range of people, more successful than me, less successful than me, all very different from me. And there's so much to learn from other people and other people's journey, and getting a point of perspective, which is very hard to do when you're in your isolated bubble. And this has been a nice place and a nice environment and a nice community to have that bubble burst. If you're like me, and I'm very indecisive, and you're wondering whether this course is for you, whether these people are for you, you're possibly going to go through the same kind of thought patterns that I did, which is, this is too much money, this is not the right kind of people, I'm not sure, I'm not this. I took the plunge because I know enough about myself that I needed to get help. If you're in a position where you can at least understand that you can do everything yourself and you will get so far, but with other people you can get so much further. If you can understand that, then whoever shoulders you stand on to get to where you're going, that's great. You are going to make your decisions for your own path. These people I found to be fantastic to help me make my choices. Jason and James have been amazing at showing me the new possibilities, the new landscape of what can be done with my own life. Everybody's different. Everyone's got their own success story. They've all got their own failure story as well. For me, Jason has been incredible at showing me that I'm not alone. And James has been incredible at showing me what is possible in the future.